Hello, and welcome to the Cycles Report for Thursday, October 3rd, 2024. The winds of change are going to blow like a hurricane. Thursday is the second full day of the moon in Libra, and we are strongly feeling the beginning and intending for the balance and justice represented by the sign. Here in the Carolinas, we are just beginning to truly comprehend the impact of Hurricane Helene. I was fortunate enough to have my power restored on Tuesday night and now can turn to helping others. The second astrological filter includes the Sun conjuncting the black moon at 4:36 a.m. We are quite familiar with the professor peering over his glasses by this point. However, the impact is affecting our identity in addition to our communication. With this conjunction, a shadow is cast over our ability to express ourselves or actualize our potential. Health and energy may be impacted. It is easy for this time to feel defeating, as we may find progress forward difficult to manage. Depending on where we are with the Black Moon in Libra, will indicate how strong of an impact this new beginning marks. We normally look to the Sun and Earth for guidance. However, today, the Sun Sabian has already been discussed. The professor is peering over his glasses and asking us what we are good at, opposite the Earth at the president of the country, indicating achievement, or what we may have become the leader in a field of. This particular symbol points out the ability to do what is necessary for the good of the group and sacrifice short term pleasure for long term goals. We want to avoid being bossy and telling others how to do their jobs. We should also avoid taking on more than we can handle, as the disappointment is worse than saying no from the beginning.